In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use WeTransfer to send video via a link. So here's how you would do it. So first, go to WeTransfer.com. To get here, you can just go ahead and Google WeTransfer and then go to WeTransfer.com. Now, once you've clicked on their website for the first time, you are going to have to agree some terms. So you'll see a pop-up, agree to the terms and cookies. Now, once you're here, once you've agreed, you can then go ahead and either add files or folders. Now, if you've got more than one video to send, what I would recommend you do is open up your File Explorer, find the videos. So let's say here that we wanted to send like more than one of these videos. We could highlight the videos we wanted to then send, we could copy them, and what we could do is we could create a new folder and essentially put all of our videos that we want to send into a folder so we could paste them in here. Now, by doing that and by putting them all into a folder, we can then click add folders and upload the whole folder. If we just had one video file we wanted to send, we could choose here add files. Anything that you click, either button that you click, it will open up this File Explorer. You can then find your videos. So I'm just going to choose this video file here. We can then click open and it will then upload it. As you can see, using the free version of WeTransfer, you'll get 2 GB. Now, you can go ahead and choose to enter in the recipient's email here, and they will then get a link. Or if you wanted to just share the link with them manually, you can click on the 3 dots here, and instead of sending them a link via email, you can just click create link, and then you can send them the link however you want. So click create link, then enter in your email. You're going to need to do this just to verify you are who you are. Once you've done that, you can enter in a message. I'll just put here video files and then access control. We can go ahead and leave that on anonymous. That's just going to allow us to set anyone specific that we want to be able to access the files. But if you're only sharing the link with one person, just keep these settings default, click get a link. It will then ask you to verify your email. So you are going to have to access your email address and verify. So this is what the code will look like. You just want to copy it. Head over to WeTransfer and then paste in that code, click verify and send, and what it will do is it will then give you a link. So do you want updates? No. Do you want to try it without limits? Not right now. So I'm going to transfer and upload that file and we will get a link in a sec. So here is our link. We can click copy, and now anyone that we give this link to will be able to just go to this page and download the files. They don't even have to be logged into WeTransfer. They'll just see this and they can then scan and download. So that is how you would do it. I hope that helped.